D&D Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com. Studio meteorologist here. We have two storms. We have Igor and Julia. Julia has formed off Africa under the Cape Verde Islands, and we got Igor. Igor is a powerful Category 4 hurricane going towards Category 5. Here's the projection from the National Hurricane Center. You see it's made a hurricane now, and it makes a northwest turn. And it goes south of Bermuda here by Friday. From there, lots of models are trying to turn it up towards Bermuda, so if you live in the area of Bermuda, you would have to be extremely careful with what may come with at least a Category 3, if not a Category 4 or 5 hurricane if it turns towards Bermuda. We also have a few models that are turning it left back towards the coast of the United States, but it's pretty far out. We have a couple days to watch this, and we'll definitely do that. I have linked up Rob Greeno's blog, our head meteorologist here at liveweatherblogs.com, who wrote on that, and it has some comparisons with 1903. You need to check it out. I'll have it linked to my blog here. Now we're going to take a look at a satellite picture. Here's some of the last images from the actual visible picture. Take a look at Igor. Look at the buzzsaw that this sucker has. This guy has a buzzsaw look like you wouldn't believe. Has a great eye, central dense overcast. Has a great outflow. He's a really monster hurricane. He's gonna cause a lot of, if he don't cause direct impacts to the United States, he'll definitely give you waves that at least to make what Earl gave you. Probably larger if it stays that way. As you see, it turned more of a west here. You can see it in this projection. It made west and the west southwest, and it's back to a west actual projection here. But it's expected to make the west and then northwest turn, like I said, with the computer models that we saw. And I'm going to show you some more computer models, courtesy of the Weather Underground, momentarily. First, we're going to go into our other tropical storm. Yeah, Julia, she turns up northwest, and then on a north-northwest and a northwest trajectory. Probably gets swept out because Igor will interfere with it. We're going to now take a look at computer models via the Weather Underground. Here's the models. The NGFDL, that's kind of off in my view for anything. What will happen with it? You have the regular GFDL that has it going north and then hooking back northwest. GFS, that would be scary, very scary for Bermuda. Maybe getting pounded if that happens. The NOGAPS model shifts it back to the west-northwest towards the United States. What happens after that, we do not know at this point. And we have the UK Met, which would also probably turn us near Bermuda. So if you have interest in Bermuda, I would definitely keep an eye on it. Also, interest on the East Coast, don't not pay attention to this. If anything happens like the 1903 situation, it could be really scary. Like I said, see Rob Greeno's blog for that. He has a map of what the 1903 hurricane did. Looking towards severe weather, we have the area here in the Midwest that we have to watch out for high winds being the main and primary threat, but some hail and isolated tornadoes also possibly. Davis risk factor for tomorrow for this area will be as follows: an 80 percentile for the wind, a 55 percentile for the hail, and 20 percentile for tornadoes. I wouldn't be surprised to see a few tornadoes develop tomorrow. But mainly the wind will be the primary threat. And then up in the northeast, New York and northern Pennsylvania, parts of Vermont, parts of Massachusetts, Connecticut, damaging wind gusts possible in some thunderstorms, isolated severe. Now we're going to take a look at the Triad and Roanoke Valley forecasts. We're going to have 54 degrees, 83 Monday, 83 Tuesday, 81 Wednesday, 82 Thursday, and staying in the low 80s for Friday. Low temperature is going to be in the mid-50s to low 60s by the end of the week. Beautiful week here in the Roanoke Valley. And now we're going to go to the Triad region. 58 tonight, 83 Monday, 87 Tuesday, 86 Wednesday, 87 on Thursday, and mid-80s for Friday. Lows near 60. It's going to be a beautiful week here in the Triad, in the Roanoke Valley, Mid-Atlantic. Going to be pretty beautiful in this area of the country. Our major threats we're going to have to watch for is going to be Hurricane Igor. He's a monster, and like I said, isolated severe weather tomorrow. Other than that, that's all we have for today. D&D Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com. I have another update tomorrow. Dean D. Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com, City Meteorologist. Have a great day.